Unpacking the phrase, taking a rain check. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, taking a rain check. This idiom is a gem in everyday English, offering a polite way to postpone plans. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your conversational skills. So, let's decode this together. The phrase, taking a rain check, has its roots in baseball, a popular American sport. In the early days, if a game was postponed due to rain, ticket holders were issued a rain check, a voucher that allowed them to attend a future game instead. This practice symbolized the promise of a replacement for something missed due to unforeseen circumstances. Fast forward to today, the phrase has transcended its literal meaning. Taking a rain check is now a common idiomatic expression used to politely decline an invitation with the implication that you would like to take it up at a later date. It's a versatile phrase, applicable in casual outings, formal meetings, and everything in between. Using taking a rain check in conversations requires understanding its tone and context. Here are a few examples. Casual setting. If a friend invites you for coffee and you're unable to attend, you might say, "I'll have to take a rain check on coffee today. Let's plan for another time." Formal context. In a professional setting, if offered a meeting or a task you can't immediately commit to, it's polite to respond, "I appreciate the offer, but can I take a rain check and get back to you?" It's a gentle way of saying, "Not now, but later," without closing the door on the opportunity. While taking a rain check is widely understood in English-speaking countries, its usage and understanding might vary based on cultural contexts. In some cultures, a direct approach is preferred, and the indirectness of taking a rain check might be puzzling. It's crucial to gauge the situation and the person you're speaking to when using such idiomatic expressions. Understanding phrases like taking a rain check not only adds to your linguistic arsenal but also helps navigate social interactions with finesse. We hope this exploration helps you in your journey of mastering the English language. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of English expressions. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.